You were drawing a map. तुम नक्शा बना रहे थे. ता नक्शा जोड़वला. You were drawing a map. He was digging a hole. वो गड़ा खोद रहा था. هغه کنده کنستله. He was digging a hole. She was feeding the baby. वो बच्चे को काना खिला रही थी. هغې ماشوم له خوراک ورکاو. She was feeding the baby. It was running very fast. ये बहुत तेज दौड़ रहा था. دې ډېره تیزه منډه وهله. It was running very fast. We were climbing the hill. हम पहाड़ी पर चढ़ रहे थे. مونږ غونډۍ ته ختو. We were climbing the hill. They were shouting at him. वो उस पर चिल्ला रहे थे. هغوی په هغه چغې وهلې. They were shouting at him. I will write a letter. मैं खत लिखूंगा. زه به خط ولیکم. I will write a letter. You will find the answer. तुम्हें जवाब मिल जाएगा. تا ته به ځواب میلاو شي. You will find the answer. He will catch the ball. वो गेंद पकड़ेगा. هغه به توپ ونیسي. توپ یعنی بال. He will catch the ball. She will buy new shoes. वो नए जूते خریدेगी. هغه به نوی پایزار واخلي. She will buy new shoes. I need some water. मुझे कुछ पानी चाहिए. زما لږې اوبه پکار دي. I need some water. You look very tired. तुम बहुत थके हुए लगते हो. ته ډېر ستړی ښکارې. You look very tired. He speaks the truth. वो सच बोलता है. هغه رښتیا وایي. He speaks the truth. She likes music. उसे موسیقی पसंद है. د هغې ساز خوښ دی. She likes music. It belongs to me. ये मेरा है. دا زما دی. It belongs to me. We trust you. हम तुम पर भरोसा करते हैं. مونږ پتا باور لرو. We trust you. They know the way. वो रास्ता जानते हैं. هغوی ته لاره معلومه ده. They know the way. یا تاسو ویلی شئ They know the way. वो रास्ता जानते हैं. دوی ته لاره معلومه ده. I am waiting for a bus. मैं बस का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. زه د بس इंतज़ार کوم. I am waiting for a bus. You are reading carefully. तुम गौर से पढ़ रहे हो. ته په غور لولې. You are reading carefully. He is buying vegetables. वो सब्जियाँ खरीद रहा है. هغه سبزیانې اخلي. He is buying vegetables. She is opening the window. वो खिड़की खोल रही है. هغه کړکۍ کولاوهي. She is opening the window. It is sleeping quietly. ये खामोशी से सो रहा है. دا غلی وده دی. It is sleeping quietly. We are enjoying the weather. हम मौसम से लطف उठा रहे हैं. مونږ د موسم نه خوند اخلو. We are enjoying the weather. दे आर क्लीनिंग द स्ट्रीट वो गली साफ कर रहे हैं هغوی کوڅه پاکوي they are cleaning the street I was learning پشتو मैं पश्तो सीख रहा था ما پښتو زده کوله I was learning پشتو You were watching TV तुम टीवी देख रहे थे تا टीवी कतो You were watching TV He was cooking food वो खाना पका रहा था هغه خوراک پخولو He was cooking food She was writing a story वो एक कहानी लिख रही थी هغه یو قصه لیکله She was writing a story It was lying on the table ये मेज़ पर पड़ा था دا په میز پروت و It was lying on the table We were talking about school हम स्कूल के बारे में बात कर रहे थे موږ د ښوونځي په اړه خبرې کولې We were talking about school They were waiting outside वो बाहर इंतज़ार कर रहे थे هغوی بهر انتظار کاو They were waiting outside I will finish my work मैं अपना काम मुकम्मल करूँगा زب خپل کار بشپړ کړم بشپړ یعنی مکمل I will finish my work You will receive a gift तुम्हें एक तोहفہ मिले گا تا ته به یو ډالۍ میلاو شي You will receive a gift He will visit the city वो شهر جائے گا هغه به ښار ته لاړ شي He will visit the city She will tell the truth वो सच बताएगी هغه به رښتیا ووایي She will tell the truth I have a question मेरा एक सवाल है زما یو پوښتنه ده I have a question You have a good idea तुम्हारा ख्याल अच्छा है ستا نظر ښه دی You have a good idea نظر یعنی خیال He has a new job उसके पास नई नौकरी है د هغه سره نوی نوکری ده He has a new job She has a beautiful dress उसके पास खूबसूरत लिबास है هغه ښکلي جامې لري She has a beautiful dress د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE01 سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ Thanks for watching